the sky that holds the clouds. She's the lady of the house, a blind believer in all I dare to be. There's no safer place I found than the shoulder of her white nightgown. Oh, I've got the best and the worst of her in me, and I'd share if I could, so the wars would all be over, 'cause she'd raise us all as friends, and no one would ever wonder if somebody wanted them. We'd walk on grass that's greener, and their cares would all be freer if the world had a mother like mine. She's her father's one great love. She's the one he wanted most. She's the light in the window of the house I grew up in. She takes the midnight call. She's the bravest of us all. Still she sings in the garden. She lets her hair down then. Oh, the wars would all be over, 'cause she'd raise us all as friends, and no one would ever wonder if somebody wanted them. Tonight would be easier, and our dreams would all be deeper if the world had a mother like mine. Don't go away from me. Oh, I understand she is a helping hand, but still I have to say, she's the sky that holds the clouds. She's the lady of our house.